Good morning students and welcome for your maths lecture. Now students, as you all know that in the previous lecture I have explained you all the theory part of the division of integers. Okay, I hope that everybody has revised that points once again. Okay, so students, today we are going to study the practice test which is based on that topic, that is division of integers. Okay, so now let us proceed further. I want that everybody should open their maths textbook and notebook and pay attention to whatever I am explaining now. Now students, in your textbook on page number 14, it is practice set 9. Okay, in that question number 1 is solve. So in that first question there are total how many? Question number 1 is solve. In that total 10 sums are there. Okay, then is question number 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so now let us solve this question number 1. Okay, so I will solve this question number 1, all 10. You have to pay attention. Okay, you have to open your textbook and pay attention as I am explaining this question number 1. Is that clear everybody? Okay. Now students, here this is practice set 9, question number 1. First one is, that is minus 96 divided by 16. It is not minus 96, it is negative 96 and this is positive 16, like that you have to see. So now let us divide it. So first step is that minus 96 divided by 16. Okay, so the first step is that minus 96 divided by 16. You have to see whether this minus 96 is divided by 16. Yes, 16 के टेबल में minus 96 आता है कि नहीं? Yes, it comes. 16 ones are 16 and 16 6 are. So that is equal to minus 6 upon 1. So it becomes minus 6. How it becomes minus 6? As you all know that minus 6 is this upon 1 is always an imaginary one. Okay, so it becomes minus 6. It's not necessary to write 1 again. Is that clear? First one, आपको क्या करना है? minus 16 divided by 16. So you will write in a fraction form and that you will divide it. तो 16 के टेबल में 96 आता है. 16 1 are 16, 6 are 96. Okay, so it becomes minus 6 upon 1. So minus 6 upon 1. Now 1 is an imaginary number whenever. Okay, so it becomes minus 6. Is that clear? First one? Okay. Now here second one is 98 divided by minus 28. So let us first write it in a fraction form, that is 98 divided by minus 28, or you can say negative 28. Is that clear everybody? Now is that clear? 98 divided by, so first we have written it in the fraction form, 98 divided by minus 28. Now 28 के टेबल में 98 आता है? नहीं आता है. So what you will do, if this number numerator is not divisible by 28, then you will look at the units place. तो हम लोग units place पे देखेंगे. It's 8. तो 8 यहाँ पे भी 8 है, यहाँ पे भी 8 है. So it's an even number. So we can divide it by 2. Okay, तो हम लोग उसको 2 से डिवाइड करते. Okay, so 2 14s are 28 and 2 49s are, it's 98. 2 14s are 28 and 2 98s are 49. हम लोगों ने इसका यूनिट का प्लेस क्या 8 है, तो 8 डिविजिबल बाय 2 है, तो हम लोगों ने 2 से इसको डिवाइड किया. तो अभी क्या आया? 14 और 49. तो 14 और 49 ये दोनों नंबर्स एक टेबल में आते हैं. कौन से टेबल में आते हैं? 7 के टेबल में, राइट. सो 7 2s are 14 and 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14, 7 7s are 49. Now these two numbers cannot be simplified more. So it becomes 7 upon minus 2. Now you all know that denominator cannot be negative. So what you will do, you will shift it, that it, मैंने कल ही सिखाया ना, that rule I have explained you all, that how you are supposed to switch this sign. Is that clear? Second one? Okay. Third one is minus 51 divided by 68. So first let us write it in a fraction form, that is minus 51 divided by 68. Okay, now you have to see in which table these two numbers are coming. आपको देखना है कि ये दोनों नंबर एक साथ कौन से टेबल में आते हैं. सो वो कौन से टेबल में आते हैं? 17 के टेबल में. इसके लिए अब बच्चों आपको क्या नेसेसरी, आपको 17 का टेबल आना, 20 तक टेबल्स आना बहुत नेसेसरी है. You should learn the tables at least up till 20 so that it will be easier for you all to divide it easily. So these two numbers are divisible by 17. This is 17 3s are 51 and 17 4s are 68. So it becomes minus 3 upon 4. Is that clear? It's 17 3s are 51 and 17 4s are 68. So the answer becomes minus 3 upon 4. Since these two numbers cannot be simplified, so this is the answer. And minus 3, that is a negative integer, so it's a numerator, so you don't have to switch it. Is that clear, everybody? Third one? Okay. Now here, 38 divided by fourth one, 38 divided by minus 57. So let us write it in a fraction form, that is 38 upon negative 57. Okay, now again you have to see that these two numbers are divisible by which number. ये दोनों numbers कौन से table में आते हैं? So it comes in 19th table, that is 19 2s are 38 and 19 3s are 57. So it becomes 2 upon minus 3. It becomes 2 upon minus 3. But according to the rule, negative integer will be minus 2 upon 3. Is that clear? Is that clear, everybody? Fourth one? Okay. Fifth one is minus 85 divided by 20. So first step is that we will write it in a fraction form. That is negative 85 divided by 20. Now, these two numbers does not comes in any of the table. Okay. Now you will see its units place. Here it is 0 and 5. तो 0 and 5 मतलब कौन से टेबल में आता है? 5 के टेबल में 0 भी आता है और 5 भी आता है, बराबर. तो हम लोग इसको 5 के टेबल से डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, सो 5 4s are 20 and 5 17s are 85. So it becomes minus 17 upon 4. So what's your answer? Negative 17 upon 4. Is that clear? हम लोगों ने यूनिट्स प्लेस का देखा 0 and 5, तो दोनों 5 के टेबल में आते हैं. सो 5 4s are 20, 5 17s are 85. और ये इसके आगे हम लोग उसको सिंप्लीफाई नहीं कर सकते, इसके लिए उसका आंसर क्या रहेगा? minus 17 upon 4. Is that clear? Now we are students, sixth one is that negative 150 divided by negative 25. So first we'll write it in a fraction, that is negative 150 divided by negative 25. ओके, तो हमें पहले देखना है कि 25 के टेबल में 150 आता है कि नहीं है. येस, इट इज़ डिविजिबल. 25 1s are 25, 6s are. So it becomes minus 6 upon minus 1. Okay, now both the places it becomes negative. So negative negative it becomes positive. And now since this 1 is an imaginary, so here you will write only 6. Is that clear, everybody? Sixth one, how you are supposed to solve? क्या किया हम लोगों ने? negative 150 डिवाइडेड बाई negative 25. 25 के टेबल में 150 आता है, तो 25 1s are 25 and 25 6s are 150. So minus negative 6 and negative 1. Both negative, it becomes positive. So 6 upon 1. Since 1 is an imaginary, so here you will write only 6. Is that clear? Now here seventh one is 100 divided by 60. Now 100 divided, first we'll write it in a fraction. 100 divided by 60. Okay, as you know, first we'll cancel the zeros. Okay, both the place zeros will cancel. So 6 के टेबल में 10 आता है नहीं, तो अभी हमें देखना है कि ये दोनों नंबर कौन से टेबल में आता है. सो इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. So it is 5 upon 3. Is that clear? So what is the answer? 5 upon 3. Now students, here eighth one is 9 divided by negative 54. So first we will write it in a fraction, 9 divided by negative 54. सो 9 के टेबल में 54 आता है. येस, 9 1 ज़ा 9, 9 6 ज़ा. So the answer is 1 upon minus 6. Now say negative becomes in the denominator. Negative becomes in the denominator. You have to switch it according to the rule. So it becomes minus 1 upon 6. Is that clear, everybody? 8th one. Okay. Now students, here I have explained first, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7 and 8th. Up till 8th I have explained. 9th and 10th is a homework. This 9th and 10th one is a homework. This 9th and 10th one, 9th and 10th one, you are supposed to solve it on your own. If you are not able to solve it on your own, then you can ask me, you can message me, I'll explain you all how to solve it. Is that clear? Now students, now let us solve the question number 2. That is, write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. हमें क्या करना है, ऐसे 3 डिवीजन इंटीजर्स लिखने हैं जिसका फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म 24 upon 5 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन नाउ. Now here students, in question number 2 they have given 24 upon 5 and what they have told that you have to write 3 division of integers such that the fractional form of each will be 24 upon 5. So 24 upon 5 का हमें division find out करना है. So 24 upon 5, suppose I'll multiply by 1. सेम नंबर से ऊपर और नीचे सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 24 1 ज़ा 24, 5 1 ज़ा 5. So how you will write in a division 24 divided by 5. Is that clear? अब तो पहले हम लोगों ने लिया 1. 3 examples they have told, no, 3 divisions. So first division we got, now we'll get the second one. So 24 upon 5 multiply by 2. First we took 1, now we will do with the 2. That is 24 2s are it's 48 and 5 2s are 10. So it is 48 divided by 10. Second one we got. Then is third one. It is 24. Here 2 we have taken, so here we'll take 3. Okay. So 24 3s are 72. 5 3s are 15. So it is 72 divided by 15. Is that clear? Have you got this? Since they have given here positive integers, so we cannot take here any negative integers. So 3 divisions you all got, that is 24 divided by 5, 48 divided by 10 and 72 divided by 15. यहाँ पे क्या बोला था, एक ही यही फ्रैक्शन का आपको डिवीजन फाइंड आउट करना है. कितने डिवीजन? 3 डिवीजन इंटीजर्स बोला था. तो हम लोगों ने 3 डिवीजन 1 2 एंड 3 कैसे, पहले 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर 2 से, फिर 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. इज दैट क्लियर? और उसके हिसाब से आपको आप ये 3 पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स मिल गए. इज दैट क्लियर? नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 व्हाट दे हैव टोल्ड, write 3 divisions of integers such that the fractional form of each will be minus 5 upon 7. अभी minus 5 upon 7 यूज़ करके हमें 3 divisions निकालने. ओके, इसमें एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर भी है. सो नाउ लेट अस solve that. Now here it is minus 5 upon 7. So first is that we will take minus 5 upon 7 multiply by 1. हम पहले 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो माइनस 5 1 ज़ा minus 5, negative 5 7 1 ज़ा 7. So it becomes negative number divided by 7. Is that clear? First one. Okay. Then is second. Now again minus 5 multiply by 2 upon 7 multiply by 2. So 5 2s are 10, that is negative 10. 7 2s are 14. So it becomes minus 10 divided by 14. हम लोग यहाँ पे माइनस साइन क्यों रखते हैं? बिकॉज यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी माइनस साइन दिया हुआ है. इज दैट क्लियर? देन इज minus 5 upon 7 multiply by 3. 2 से किया, अभी 3 से. 5 3s are 15, so minus 15. 7 3s are 21, so here it will become minus 15 divided by 21. Is that clear everybody? So in this way question number 3 you are supposed to solve. पहले 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, फिर 2 से, फिर 3 से, और हमें 3 डिविजन्स इंटीजर्स मिल गए. Is it clear everybody? Okay. Now students see question number 4. In question number 4 what they have told. The fish in the pond below carry some numbers. ये जो फिशेस है इनके ऊपर कुछ नंबर्स है. ओके. Choose any 4 pairs and carry out 4 multiplications with those numbers. Now choose 4 other pairs and carry out divisions with these numbers. What they have to, ये जो नंबर्स है ये नंबर्स यूज़ करके आपको 4 मल्टीप्लिकेशन के पेयर्स बनाने हैं और 4 डिवीजन के पेयर्स बनाने हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल उन्होंने बनाया -13 मल्टीप्लाई बाय -15. क्यों? यहाँ पे -13 है और यहाँ पे -15, सो ये दो नंबर्स का उन्होंने एक मल्टीप्लिकेशन का पेयर बनाया और उसका आंसर है 195. ओके. तो वैसे आपको ये नंबर्स यूज़ करके 4 मल्टीप्लिकेशन के ऐसे पेयर बनाने हैं. सेकेंड वन इज -24. योर वेर इज -24? योर इट इज -24 divided by 9. 9 is the positive, that is +9. Okay, so you will divide it 24 upon 9, you will get the answer -8 upon 3. Okay, so ऐसे ही आपको यही नंबर में से यूज़ करके आपको 4 डिवीजन के पेयर्स बनाने और 4 मल्टीप्लिकेशन के पेयर्स बनाने. सो दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज अ होमवर्क. यू विल सॉल्व इट ऑन योर ओन. इफ़ यू ऑल आर हैविंग एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क मी. एंड यहाँ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से आपको 9th और 10th वन होमवर्क है और क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 homework है. Is that clear? So students, with this we have completed with the practice set 9 and also we have completed with the chapter number 2. Is that clear everybody? Okay, so students, in the next lecture I will give you all the notes of this chapter. Already I have given the notes of this chapter. All the questions I have solved, so there will be no notes. You just have to refer the video for the notes for this chapter. Is that clear? So with this I'll end today's lecture. Thank you.